I'm going to make a cheetah mask. This is a fabric from my old leggings, and I am going to glue this on my cheetah mask. This is my cheetah mask that I'm going to be gluing on the fabric to. And here are my sparkly cutouts. These are the eyes, and these are the sparkly cutouts of the ears, and these are the sparkly cutouts of the nose, that which I'm going to glue onto the mask. And this is my elastic that will hold up my mask together. I'm going to see you in a few minutes. Now, start gluing this up.
So you're just giving it a good coat, right?
Yep.
So you can paste the fabric, right?
Yep. As you can see here, I have glue on my mask. Now I'm going to stick the fabric onto my mask, and I'm going to cut the extra fabric into the shape of the mask. We are outlining the ears and the eyes. Now I'm going to stick these on. Let me tell you some amazing facts about cheetahs. Cheetahs are the fastest running animals in the world. These carnivores run 100 kilometers per hour. They are the largest cats and most dangerous cats in the world. There are less than 8,000 cheetahs in the wild, and there are only 50 Asian cheetahs left in this world. These species date back 2.5 million